Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Grammarly extension on Google Chrome step by step. Grammarly helps you check your spelling, grammar, punctuation, and writing style as you type across websites, emails, documents, and more. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Grammarly. Click on the Grammarly AI Writing and Grammar Checker extension. Next, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation window will appear. Click Add Extension to install it. Once the installation is complete, click the Grammarly icon in the Chrome toolbar. Sign in to your Grammarly account or create a new account if you don't already have one. After signing in, Grammarly will automatically begin working on supported websites. To test it, open Gmail, Google Docs with the Grammarly browser extension enabled, or another website where you can type text. Start typing a sentence. If Grammarly finds a spelling or grammar mistake, it will underline the issue. Click the underlined word or phrase to view Grammarly's suggestion. If you want to accept the suggestion, click Accept. If you prefer to keep your original text, simply ignore the suggestion or click Dismiss. You can also click the Grammarly icon in your browser to view your writing insights, adjust your preferences, or temporarily disable Grammarly for specific websites. As you continue writing, Grammarly will provide real-time suggestions to help improve the clarity and accuracy of your text. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to use the Grammarly extension on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.